See in 100 seconds. Header files. A header file declares what exists without defining how it works. The .h extension is the convention. ifndef guards prevent the same header from being included twice. If it's already defined, the compiler skips the whole block. 2 function declarations. Just the signature, no body. This tells other files what they can call. Ndif closes the guard. Save the header. Now the implementation. Include the header with quotes. Quotes mean look in the current directory. Write the actual function bodies here. The header promised they exist. This file delivers. Main includes stdio for printf and the header for square and cube. Angle brackets for system, quotes for yours. Call the functions. Main doesn't need to know how they work, just that the header says they exist. Compile both C files together. The linker connects main's calls to the implementations. Square of 5 is 25. Cube of 3 is 27. Main called the functions, the header connected them, and the linker put it all together. 3 files, 1 program. That's how real C projects are organized. Phase 1 complete. Next, pointers.